Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to send PayPal link for payment. So let's get started. So these steps are the same for if you're on a phone or on a laptop. So first off, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option that says request on the top right hand side. Just click on it. Now here you can choose the method by which you can choose a request. For example, if you have an email, just type the email and it will send the email to the user. But what if you want to create a profile email or a personal profile? So to do that, you will need to create a personal profile. On the right hand side, you'll be seeing an option that says create a personal profile. Just click on it. Now from here, click on create PayPal me profile. Now just add your photo or just skip it for now. Now from over here, you have to choose your link. So just type anything, and if it is available, just click on next. So just review your profile, check the terms and conditions, and click on agree and create. And now this will create your profile. Now click on manage profile, and this is how your profile will look. On the right hand side, you'll see a share icon. Just click on it. Now over here, just copy your link, and this will give you the link to this profile. Now anyone who has this link will be able to come over here. He will be redirected to the PayPal page and he will be able to send you money. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.